Support all marriages. I don't know why people hate against the gay marriage. Gays are just like regular people. They breathe the same, they live the same. There's no difference between us. So if their sexualities are different, who cares? Support them. They deserve what they want to.